Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. Are you ready, toddlers? Do you want to learn the animal names? The first one is the first animal name is a donkey. This is a donkey. This is a cheetah. C is for cheetah. This is elephant. E is for elephant. This is a gorilla. This is a gorilla. This is a lioness. The next one is a hen. This is a hen. This is a giraffe. This is a giraffe. This is a lion. This is a rhino. R is for rhino. This is a panda. And this is a dog.